Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make 3D spatial photos in the Photos app on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this is a new option. We need to go over to the photos, and here for an example, we're gonna choose the picture that we want to make in 3D. So I'll choose this one. It's bright and you guys can see everything. Now we're gonna make it in the spatial scene. So we have this little button right here. We need to click it, and now it says spatial scene. So now whenever we move our device, the picture will move with us. I hope the effect is visible in the video, but this is amazing. Now I'll go over and change it to this one and click on spatial scene. Now as you guys can see, this is amazing. You see this building right here? Now it's gone. So this is actually amazing. This is the coolest feature from Apple, in my opinion. You guys can make like moving photos, even though they are not exactly extended or created by an AI. They're just being smaller, and I think it's still a great feature, even though it's not as useful. You guys can create a lot of cool ideas with the spatial scene. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And that's it. Bye.